This is our game, not yours. Influence beats integrity, then everybody loses. Hey, raise your voice, don't steal again. Soccer belongs to us. Not your power, not your name. No backroom deals, no hidden hands, no kings deciding where justice lands. If red means red, then let it stand. You can rewrite it with one command. Today, one card. Tomorrow, one match. Next year, one champion. Where does it end? If power chooses winners,